we're going to solve an absolute value equation. Our equation says that we have the absolute value of y minus 1 plus 17, and that is equal to 23. So our first rule says that we're going to isolate the absolute value. So that means I want to get all of this stuff all by itself. So the first order of operations that I'm going to employ is to undo the plus 17. So I'm going to undo that plus 17. I'm going to do minus 17 on both sides of the equal sign. And I don't know what in the world I'm writing there. There we go. Minus 17. Okay, so these two cancel out. I am left with the absolute value of y minus 1 equal to 23 minus 17. So that would be 23 minus 17, that's going to be 6. So at that point, I have now isolated my absolute value or gotten my absolute value all by itself on one side of the equal sign. That sets us up to do our second rule, which is to work it out twice. So I am going to write y minus 1 equal to the 6. That's just like it's written. Then I'm also going to do it a second time, and I'm going to do y minus 1 is equal to the negative 6. Absolute values have to consider both the positive and negative possibilities. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve these out. So I can get rid of that 1 on the first one here by doing plus 1 and plus 1 on both sides. Cancel, cancel, and y is equal to 7. Over here, I could do plus 1 again on both sides, and that cancels out. I'm left with y is equal to negative 6 plus 1, and that's a negative 5. So these are two potential answers for my absolute value. That's a potential answer, 7, and this is a potential answer of negative 5. But I'm going to have to check for extraneous solutions. So that means that I'm going to take this 7 and plug it into the original equation. I'm also going to take this negative 5 and plug that into the original equation. And if they work out, then I'll know which ones are absolutely good answers. Okay, so let's do absolute value of 1. I said that my y was equal to 7, so let's go ahead and do that. My y is equal to 7, so absolute value is 7 minus 1 plus 17, and they said that is equal to 23. And then we will also test this one on this side, and we'll say absolute value y equal to negative 5, so y is equal to negative 5 minus 1 absolute value plus 17 is equal to the 23. So I'm going to work both those down. So this one, 7 minus 1 is absolute value of 6. Absolute value of 6 plus 17, and the absolute value of 6 is just a 6, and 6 plus 17 is equal to 23. 23 does indeed equal 23, and I can't write, la la la. Okay, equals 23. That is correct. This is correct. They are equal. Yes, so therefore this is a good answer. So let's test the other one. Negative 5 minus 1 means the absolute value of negative 6, and that's plus 17 equal to the 23. Absolute value of negative 6 is a positive 6, so 6 plus 17 equal to 23. Well, 6 plus 17 does equal 23. That is a true statement. True statement. If it's true, 23 does equal 23, that means that this answer up here of negative 5 is a correct answer. So 7 and negative 5 are both good answers for this absolute value equation. Hope that helps, and just click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you back soon. Thank you.